I'm finally here with Mandy. We're at the airport. We are finally going to board for LAX. It is 8:17. We are supposed to board at 8:58. We're supposed to take off at 9:30. I'm so excited. We're going to LA, baby. Hey guys, yes, I'm not wearing my glasses, and yes, I'm being really quiet, and yes, I look terrible because I just got off a cross-country flight. So I'm gonna give you guys an Airbnb tour of where me and Mandy are staying. There's the door. This is what it looks like when you walk in. It's a studio, but Mandy and I have no qualms with sharing a bed. So first there's this little table, and she left us snacks. And then right next to you is this dresser with a TV. Little trash barrel. Mandy's already started unpacking. And in here is the little kitchenette. We have a microwave. I don't know what's in the drawers because I haven't looked in them. They give you literally everything you can need. Cute little mini fridge. Adorable little kitchenette. I'm here for it. A little dining room table. This goes out to a balcony, which is so freaking adorable. I believe it's a king size bed because I used to have a queen, and this is way bigger than my queen size bed. Cute little nightstand. I think that looks onto the balcony as well. Closet with extra pillows and a chair, and Mandy's already started unpacking. It's so cute. I don't know if that's Mandy's or if they gave us that. I'm pretty sure this door connects to her house because we're staying in a guest house, but I'm not sure. And Mandy's on the phone in the bathroom, apparently. When she gets out, I'll show you guys the bathroom. But yeah, this is what a full day of traveling looks like. And now the bathroom is like the size of an apartment in and of itself, guys. Like, and look at how pretty it is. Like, she even left us makeup wipes. This is honestly gorgeous. And the best part is the shower. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but this is huge. And the real best part, she even gave us products to use. Like, how sweet is that? Also, this literally grew up with this in Lainey's bathroom at all times, so it gives me feels. So yeah, that is the Airbnb for a week, and we're going to sleep now, and I will see you when I'm not so zombified. So I just woke up. So anyone who knows me knows that I love the rain. The rainier the day, the better. If you know anything about LA, you know that it never rains in LA. It's raining today. I feel like this was my big welcome, and I love it. How gorgeous is this view, guys? You can't really tell that it's raining, but I promise that it is.
We are at In-N-Out Burger.
This is going to be like literally everything, and I can't even put to words how excited I am for this.
I am ridiculously excited. It smells amazing.
We are at the Grove. This is super exciting because you guys know how I feel about shopping. I will take that. I still have green tea boba from Earth, but super excited. Meandering around, going shopping.
Of course, our favorite thing.
Honestly, our favorite thing now.
Like, literally.
Guys, guess who I just ran into?
Hello, subscribe.
I'm so excited. I've been waiting. She was on the phone, and I'm just like, we're just gonna sit here till she gets off the phone.
Aw, that's so cute. Oh yeah, I saw you were looking at me, and I was like, is there something in my teeth? Like,
no, I'm like, that's Jessie. Like, that's definitely Jessie.
Oh, that's so cute.
So this did start off as a normal post-GenBeauty creator dinner. This is Brie. Hi! She introduced herself to me as Brie like the cheese. Like the cheese! It has now turned into tequila shots and drinks all night. All night. We're gonna see what happens, but we have this way, and two other rows of tables. Typical creator dinner kind of night. It's gonna be good. Oh yeah. It's gonna be more tequila shots.
And can we just address her jacket? She made this herself, guys. She's going to start selling them.
Yep.
You need to buy them. They're amazing. Oh my god.
Thank you. It was so much fun.
She's honestly
seeing you guys.
I love her so much.
You guys should come next year.
Yes.
So awesome.
Love your jacket.
Thank you.
See, everyone loves the jacket. I'm currently out to dinner at a restaurant that bills itself as being for hipsters, which me, unfortunately. And guys, look who I'm with. This is Alex. I love her so much.
I'm looking up Laurel.
Say hi.
Hi.
This is Alex's boyfriend. And obviously, hey. I've literally known Alex longer than I've known Lindsay, and you guys have already met Lindsay. And like, I literally met her through you.
Yeah, that's true.
That's so crazy.
I'm kind of a Cupid like that.
And this is our first time actually meeting in person, and crazy, honestly. And Alex is now my Instagram husband.
I discovered a hidden talent in myself today.
Jump shots.
I know, that jump shot was amazing.
Mandy did a jump for a picture, first try. Alex got it perfect. And also, so they've been looking for the Paul Frank wall from like ever. Paul Smith. Close enough.
Paul Frank is monkeys.
Paul Frank is monkeys. Paul Smith is pink wall. There we go. But there's a tree behind us because it's a patio. But they've been looking for it forever just to be like, oh, like, yeah, we're locals. Like, this will be funny to find it and to laugh at all the people taking pictures. 5 minutes of walking with me and we found it.
Frank Zappa, Jim Morrison, Carole King, The Byrds, Buffalo Springsteen.
Springfield.
Buffalo Springsteen.
Springfield.
That is a super group that
Springfield.
needed to happen.
And others.
And
Had houses in Laurel Canyon where you're staying.
And others. That's my favorite part. And others.
Yeah, are you having any fun? 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 Are you having any fun?
Are you having any fun?
Check it. Yeah, if you ain't having fun, what you do it for? Quit your job, leave your wife, tell your kids you went on tour. You went out to get them snacks, ice cream and some chocolate fudge. You the one they love, so if you disappear, they hold a grudge. Showing up at graduation, telling them you're proud they made it. Then it's back to your vacation, bumping Californication in your station wagon that you borrowed from your older neighbors. Left a note that you would take it.
You kids get back here!
Living life without responsibility, sorta sounds a deal to me.
For real, guys, like, I have officially fallen in love with Los Angeles. Like, I didn't know that it was possible to love a city this much. I thought that I really loved New York City. I thought I was a Manhattan girl through and through, that I could never love anywhere as much as I loved Manhattan. And then Los Angeles happened to me. It's such an experience to, like, be talking to somebody and have them be like, oh, what are you out here for? And be like, oh, I'm a YouTuber. And have them be like, oh, like, that's awesome. Like, one of my friends is a YouTuber, one of my neighbors is a YouTuber, that kind of thing. It's everything, guys. Finding a place where, like, you fit in and people aren't like, oh, you're weird because you do that. Having a place where they're so nice. Like, I love Manhattan. I love the hustle and bustle. But people are genuinely so nice here. In Manhattan, they're not. And, like, not they're rude, but, like, it's just, the vibes are all completely different, and I'm just in love with this city. This is where I want to be. This is what I want to do. This trip has really solidified this for me. And, like, I need to kick it into high gear. So you're going to see me kick it into high gear. And I'm going to get my butt out here. This is where I want to be. This is what I want to do.
I don't know, but I've been told the world outside is oh so cold.
So cold.